Dale.
He's under the Dale Street Bridge in the eastbound lane of traffic.
Under the Dale Street Bridge, under the east lane of 94.
So we're
Still under the bridge, heading eastbound. He's walking. Someone get on St. Anthony, come down.
we're on westbound
177
right
St.
now.
Anthony and Marion. See, we need to stay on St. Anthony or get on 94? Get on 94. What's that one tango? We're on our way, we're 94.
So the suspect's supposed to be up here on the highway.
He's coming 94 westbound. He's still in the westbound lane.
He's still in the westbound lanes of 94. Here, Dale. Going to become touch with any tax one. Bill wanted for a assault, possibly over the square of 94.
7, we'll take some unmarked or gangs if we can, please.
Is he west of Dale? On the north side or east of Dale? We got him, he's on the ground.
Taking a male into custody.
That 163 Tango, one in custody.
163 Tango has one in custody.
Put in at 27 Squadron.
97 copy, please immediate.
Under Sheriff Martin, I would not get onto 94 unless you already are. It's a log jam.
He's at the rush location.
185 Tango Bogan.
25 Tango, can you send us a call for PWC purposes?
360.
They've got him in custody.
It's 107 to 187 Tango. When you have time, let me know if we need to send somebody back to that apartment to hold it, please.
187 Tango, he never made it to the apartment, so I'm in the hallway. So, we'll call you in a second here.
Copy.
2750. If there's a squad at St. Anthony and Dale can secure my Tahoe.
22, is it on Dale or St. Anthony?
Got Grossmith Center, Ramsey County for theft. Also for larceny out of North Dakota. None from the address now. Keep checking the area.
Six 1-8.
Do they think they're going to need an officer? 52 to an area. Yeah, the 1659.
Search, thank you.
Copy that. Bravo 341, EOT.
Have a good day at 1700.
Bravo 799 EOT.
Have a good day. One 187 Tango. One 187 Tango.
187 Tango.
I have a patch with ME Tac 1. Did you want me to hold that or can I clear it?
You can go ahead and clear it, thank you.
Copy. Ramsey County's dropping the patch with METAC 1. Thank you all other agencies for your assistance. 1701.
We're going to be on the north side of Hobby Lobby on County Road 52.
Debbie.
Bravo 156 COT.
Have a good night, 1701.
traffic.
5286.
Cherokee and Hillcrest. Illinois plate. Frank Paul 143345.
Debbie 1702.
One
109.
Can you put me on the board? Long number 54860 for BWC purposes, please.
Affirmative. I have you on the board and on the domestic call.
Perfect, thank you.
Welcome, 1702.
Tango area.
Debbie 1702.
$5286.
5286.
We're going to be in the parking lot of 2621 Fairview.
Debbie. $5281 status.
My BWC just went completely kaput. I'm going to head for the barn. Looks like the suspect there with the long numbers.
All right, I'm back.
Took off one direction.
The suspect is a suspect in a felony domestic assault that occurred just up off the highway at a apartment complex. He sounds like maybe he's accused of pointing a gun at someone. It's a domestic, so someone he lives with. The officers went to stop him and he fled on foot, so they chased him down onto the highway and did a tremendous job of teamwork to get everyone in here and get the suspect in custody. Make sure he was safe once they got him in custody.
Can you have medic 2363?
And just a tremendous job by the St. Paul police, as always. And they got him in custody, checked on his medical status while he was still down. he was breathing hard because he'd been running, and but you got to be really careful to make sure that the person can breathe okay and that they're not injured in a way where you need to get them help before you put them in the car, or possibly on narcotics, and they may be having respiratory or cardiac issues. So you got to make sure they're good and stable, and he was, and
109.
he had a lot of pleas that he's not the right guy.
I'm gonna
But
be clear. Can you take me off
the
the boat, please?
officer had a good picture of him, and it was the right guy. So just another great job by St. Paul PD. We just happened to be kind of in the right place at the right time, but
He's high on PCP. I don't know one car standing up with this car will be probably going to have to split off for whatever reason.
so now he's telling the officers that he's high on PCP. So it wouldn't surprise me because he was acting up a little bit, but generally on PCP you're not gonna be as in control of yourself as this guy seemed to be. So he may be just trying to delay his trip to jail. We'll see. So for some reason
53,
folks think if they tell us that they're overdosing, they're going to get out of it. But what happens is they just end up in the hospital being guarded by cops, and then go to the jail and get guarded by cops. It just delays their processing. So now we're eastbound on University, back off of the highways. That was the highways. I have a lot of respect for the state troopers who work on those highways all the time, because I don't like being out where there's cars driving by fast. And in this case, they were kind of blocked, but it's a lot more risky, and people aren't paying attention. They're watching you instead of driving, and it leads to a lot of accidents.
They had issues with battery yesterday.
So